Okay, I'm gonna try these little shorts for a little bit, and then I'll go back to the longer. But we'll see what happens with that. Whoa. I'm like Neo in the Matrix. Ow! There's a dead stick that poked me. Why'd you get a band-aid, fucking nerd? Yeah. See, about the band-aid situation, I'm not even sure. Well, I'm assuming there's probably somewhere in a cabinet somewhere. Yeah. Somewhere in a cabinet somewhere, man. Jerry, what you thinking? You thinking about getting some TREATS? Yeah, you don't know how to spell it yet, do you? But I'm right in the funnel. I don't know, I'm going to be standing right in this funnel for all summer long because this is where it feels really good on a really hot day. Like it'll be 110 degrees and I'll stand in this location and all the wind will funnel through these trees right here. And it's glorious. Glorious, I tell you. Yeah. Well said, Governor. Oh, man. All right. I do hear a jet. But I do not. It's a pretty cloudy day, so I can't see if it's spraying us or not. Ooh, I'm seeing some big nests, though. Big nests of birds, man. Chilling and keeling. Chilling and keeling. Oh, here in Duckburg. All right. We're going to go solve a mystery and rewrite history. All right, DuckTales. Woo. 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 I still haven't gone back in the little. I haven't gone back in that little place since. Jerry, what are you doing by the road? All right, I gotta go get this dog so it doesn't die. Bye.